Hello, Shamanettes, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So how do you hide dry, crepey lids using makeup? Let's find out and get this look.
The two most important things to keep in mind when it comes to crepey or dry lids is hydration or nutrition and using matte products. So I'm using an 80% vitamin C serum all over my face. I only use 2 drops. It's my very favorite vitamin C serum. And I'm using a moisturizer here that is 60% vitamin C. So lots of nutrition. Internal nutrition is incredibly important. I'll put a link in the corner for more information about that. Internal health is 80%. Here I'm using a Ben Nye matte foundation. So this is a medium coverage foundation that does not set in fine lines. Stay away from full coverage foundations. This concealer by Cover FX is beautiful. It does not set in fine lines, but it still covers. Many of us want to cover our wrinkles or our dry skin, and you cannot cover it. You have to deal with it from an internal angle with health and nutrition, but then tap in a lovely creamy concealer like this that won't set in fine lines. Look at the difference. But it won't set in crepey lids. All right, using a primer on your eyelid is incredibly important. This will help your eyeshadow to not crease up, as it will do with oily lids. It also should not set in fine lines. I put a little bit of powder on my lid because I have quite a bit of hydration. If you have very dry skin, you can stay away from that. This is a little bit of a highlighter because I have some dark circles. Makes your eyes pop. Now the key component is to keep the attention away from your crepey lids. So we're filling in our brows here with an NYX brow pencil, and then I'm using a little brow gel just to get my eyebrows to go up. So it brings the attention away from my lid area. We're also going to focus on eyeliner, those two areas. So here I'm using a Ben Nye matte, very matte eyeshadows. They will not set in fine lines. Matte is so much better than using anything with shimmer or shine. So I'm just doing a warm color all over my lids. I'm doing quite a bit with warm tones here. And then in the outer edge, I'm putting a little bit of a darker shade just to add a little bit of dimension to my eye so it's not flat. And I just softly blend that in. Then I'm using an eyeliner by MAC. It's called Coaster Reach. Sorry about the bad focus there. But I really put the attention on the liner, and I'm going to wing it a little bit. And I'll show you how to do that so it looks really soft. But using a soft eye pencil and putting the attention right next to your eye will take the attention away from any crepiness or dryness. And we're going to blend that in a minute. Here we go with a pencil brush, and I just take the pencil and run it towards my ears so you get a lovely little bit of a wing there. But see, that takes the attention away from any crepiness and dryness, even though I really don't have very much dryness on my lids. You get the idea. Here's a eyelash curler because we want the attention again to be right around our eye area. So I'm using some Jane Iredale mascara. So again, the focus is completely around my eyes and the eyebrows. Then I take a little bit of a cream or a white eye pencil, put it just a little bit, about halfway underneath. That helps to pop your eyes even more.
Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment and also to hit the subscribe button. Down below, there's a link for my newsletter. I put it out once a week, and in it, I have all kinds of insider deals, discounts, times when I'm going to be doing my YouTube live, which I love doing. I get Q&A. I love interacting with all of you as much as possible. And also, don't forget to hit the like button, anything to help with bringing in engagement. I really, really appreciate. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.